Welcome to Tranquil Retreat at a nature-embraced villa near Valencia, your gateway to serenity and sophistication. To secure your unforgettable escape, simply scan the QR code displayed on screen or find the comprehensive description below to begin your luxury journey. Imagine waking in a haven of tranquility, just moments from the vibrant heart of Valencia. This exquisite chalet, a sanctuary of peace, is perfectly positioned, a mere 12 kilometers from the city's buzz and a convenient 7 from the airport. Here, a world of unparalleled comfort awaits. The villa's luxurious accommodations provide ample space to relax and rejuvenate. Immerse yourself in the embrace of nature. A stunning swimming pool, surrounded by lush greenery, offers a private paradise where you can escape the world. Every detail, from the free parking to the convenience of an in-unit washer, is thoughtfully curated to enhance your stay. While the chalet embraces a serene child policy to maintain an atmosphere of tranquility, it's designed to cater to quiet relaxation, perfect for couples or solo travelers intent on unwinding. The welcoming bar presents the ideal setting for an evening drink, concluding each day on a high note. Embrace the extraordinary. Experience the synergy of a revitalizing nature retreat and the accessibility of a world-class city. Reserve your unforgettable stay today. Remember to book using the QR code for a seamless experience.